You can go.
I hope you got that.
Look it, these guys are following me. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, guys.
Inhale, come on up. Step that foot forward and do the opposite side. Inhale, step the left leg back. Turn out that left heel, and you're going to square the hips. Fold the right hip back, press the left hip forward, so the groin and torso face forward, relax the shoulders, and breathe. Inhale here, on the exhale, we fold forward with a flat back.
Run inside. On 3. 1, 2, hike!
Here he goes. I'll give him, he's persistent.
April, run and jump.
One of my sisters and I would joke if there's family bingo cancer, like we win the bingo card, we check them off. Wow. And I got genetic testing done. Oh, working his teeth and he black. Oh.
Did it take it?
Yes, he took it.
No, go forward, go forward, go forward.
I don't know if that's it.
Riding the cheeky.
Everybody ready? Simon says, raise your hands. All right, Simon says, raise your hands again.
You got a flock of them now, don't you?
Thanks, bud.
Can you? Stop me, Jeremy. Give him the banana. Can you give it to him? Can you give it to him? I swear. Can you stop it? Give it to him. What did you do? Who did that?
Girl, I swear to God, this.
I don't know if they can have pizza. I guess she's taking my pizza. Okay.
Just wait a minute, I'm not ready yet.
Oh, I think you gotta be ready.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready yet. Wait, please, wait, please. No, God, no. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, God, here. Oh, why are you biting my feet? Oh, Lord. Here, have it. Have it. Yeah, this is not going to be a good experience for me. And this dog poo up here. Why do they want me? I don't have any. Ah, you're biting my new pants. Okay, have it.
What's wrong, Josh? You having a struggle? Gil's like, wake up. Stop. Well, I won't be using that video part. Just kidding.
Oh, she's eating them.
What's his deal?
Gymnastics.
Augie, what are you doing? Look at him. Look at him. He's like, let me out of here. This dog is crazy. This dog is so crazy. Oh my goodness.
Hey, Liam, what's he doing? Liam, Liam, what's he doing? Liam, we got him.
Tony!
Willie, how's the Timothy pellets? Oh, they're pretty good. Willie gonna get dizzy. There it goes.
Oh my God.
Did you get that on video?
OJ, come here.
Visit someone. They speak to us.
Look what the puppies did. Look at it. Oh my God. Lulu. Daisy. She needs for Christmas.
This one looks like it spits. Oh!
He did, Avery, that was perfect. Avery said this was like he spit.
Here's our friend Dolly. We just caught her in the garage.